Hey guys, Titan Pressure Washing here. Hey, I want to show you guys something. So when this is a barrel tile roof, 2,800 square foot roof, and it was black as night. And I wanted to show you guys. So when that mold and mildew is up on that roof, it's actually eating the substrate of that roof. And a lot of people don't understand or don't even believe that. But when you go to do your rinse, so a lot of people don't rinse. We do. But we're not just rinsing, we're actually neutralizing. So when I go to apply this here, you know, you get a little bit of foaming, and then you can see it starts to turn orange. See that orange? That's not the roof, that's granulates. So that's actual your granulate loss. Let me see if I can zoom in here. Yeah, I'll try to do this here. So I'm gonna hit this spot and I'm gonna try to follow it. And you'll see some orange in there. That orange is granulate loss in the roof. That is the damage that was caused by the algae and mold and lichen being on your roof and eating the material. And that's how it damages your roof. And over time, over the period of 25 plus years, you know, that you have your roof, think these roofs are supposed to be good for 30 years, their half-life, because homeowners don't understand that it actually eats and destroys your roof. Now, those look like stains, but they're not. That's lichen that it killed. But anyway, that's what granulate loss is. And that's actual something that we see on a regular basis up here when we're actually walking roofs versus on a ladder. If you're on a ladder, there's only so much you're going to be able to get. But we're actually neutralizing the whole entire roof right now when we zoom out. So we're actually neutralizing the whole roof after we did a soft wash. And that's the difference between a lot of companies and us. Here at Titan, we care about your roof just as if it was our own. So I'm going to neutralize this whole entire roof. And I'll take some photos, and I'll see you guys next time. TitanPW.com is our website. TitanFreshWashing.fl is our YouTube. Share, like, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Till next time.
New pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof concrete and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property cleaned with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan
Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida.